Good day guys, welcome back to the channel. So if you've not yet subscribed, do want to click on the subscribe button, like, share and make your comment. So let's see what we'll be expecting for the next day on our gold. But before that, to stay updated, follow the Telegram channel. You'll find the link to the Telegram channel in the comment section. So let's see what gold is currently doing. We clearly can see that on this our current trend, gold is trending to the upside, right? It is giving us an uptrend. We are having a series of higher high and an higher low. That is it, right? But if you are to zoom it out, you will see that we are at a crucial level. This year, first market tapped this level, then we had a massive drop. The markets again came back to test this level again before we had this drop. Markets came again to tap this level before we had this drop. Also, it came to tap this level again before we had a drop. Now market is back at this level, which is our resistance level. So we should be very careful. There will be a drop anytime soon. Now, could it continue to go up? Absolutely yes. It definitely can continue to go up. There's a possibility that it will continue to go up. But also have it in mind that this is resistance level. So market is likely to drop from this level. So be very careful on buying. And if you want to buy, minimize the risks by the way. So watch out. There is going to be a sale anytime soon. So if this sale starts playing out, I'll give you guys the update in the Telegram channel.